What's up YouTube, it's your boy Dingo, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on this video already, you feel me? But listen man, we gonna go on we gonna use my Jamaican accent, you feel me? We gonna use my Jamaican accent. Now I'm doing this because somebody tried to play me on my last video I ever made, use my accent. And I can explain that because, you know, I was doing the video and I wasn't really feeling it, but I just posted the video only because like I wanted something to post, you get what I'm saying? And it's like my accent wasn't there. Now I have an accent, I do. But I just wasn't, my vibe and everything was off. So I sounded weird. People was trying to play me in the comments about my accent, especially actual Jamaicans. They were trying to play me and shit. But let's transition. Well, when you don't know, say DeAndre Dingo there is in. Now look here. This is for all the people who try to style bad man, see? I want to tell you this right now. Look here, look a fussy boy. Have an accent, you hear me I tell you? Born and raised in Jamaica, you hear me I tell you? So don't ever try to come on my rotted YouTube and tell me say me not have nothing, me not this. You hear me I tell you boy? You hear me I tell you? Look up. What the boy? Who you think you talk to? Fish? Hmm? Hmm? But anyways man, we get in that video, we're gonna start it up, we're gonna talk to the people, see how them react to the accent, you see me I say? Now, for all of my other Jamaican them out there, big up on yourself, you don't know. From St. Elizabeth, you see? Alright. I like saying zine a lot, feel me? It's my regular thing, man. Don't judge me, feel me? I'm saying? You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Alright. Let's get in the video, y'all. Dingo!
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie.
Yo, what going youth?
Yeah.
Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Alright, big up yourself, you see me I say?
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright then. The girls never understand. Yo, walk on my general.
Huh?
Mr. Walk on my general. You don't understand what I say?
No.
What do you mean you don't understand? That time you don't understand?
No.
I'm speaking perfect English, bro.
Oh, you got a little accent.
And what kind of accent?
Like British.
British. I'm not a British accent. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not from England.
How
Eh?
how you doing?
How I do?
Yeah.
Yo, me do alright, man. How you do?
I'm good.
Alright.
Jamaican, ain't it?
Eh?
You Jamaican.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican.
Yeah.
You American?
Nah, I'm African.
Oh, you African? Oh, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro. What going, Rose? How the bum buckle? What you do, my girl? Yo, you know, I don't want to see that. What you over here do? We are show you off your body. You know, not that shit. Yo, on this app, niggas skip you like crazy, bro. I ain't go front. Look, yo, nigga, you can't talk to no dude on here. Now, don't get me wrong. No dude want to talk to dude, but for this purposes, you will never get a dude, bro. Because all they do is skip you on this shit. Watch this. Skip. Wagwan, my general.
The word, my boy.
Wagwan.
Shit, what you on?
Me a chill, Zine.
Shit, yeah.
Yeah, chill.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, man. You see the man over there, my chill dogs. I'm about to cut their ass. Now, some of the words I'm gonna say, I don't want none of y'all don't find it offensive or nothing. It's just all fun. You know what I'm saying? All my Jamaican niggas will understand. So, Wagwan, my Jenna. Blood clean. You block. You fuck. Yo, I don't understand what you do right now. You see me I say? Yo, Biggs, I don't understand. Yeah, what is? What that mean? I don't know what that mean. Tell me in the comments. Finally a girl. Wagwan, Chargy. Hey girl, are you me I talk to? Where you come out of the camera for? Me scare you? Me do nothing to you? Hmm? What? You ugly like fart. The amount I've been getting skipped and skipped and skipped and skipped. I'm about to just start skipping people too, bro. Fuck this shit. Skip you. Skip you. So I skipped the girl. Oh fuck, man. Yo, I'm about to spaz out on this app, bro. Too many skips. I didn't even skip. Yo, ye like Mr. Go suck out your blood. Yo, what going me you? What?
What?
What you just say?
I said, what's up, bro?
You just call me cute. You're batty, man. You're fish. You're fish. You're fish. Bun up. Bun up. No. Bun up. Bun up. You're batty, man. No, bun up. Hey, boy, you gonna call me cute. I think you love, man. I wrong with the money, man. What going, Jenna?
What's good?
You know who you look like?
Shit, what?
You look like Duke Dennis. You know who that be?
Like, take off your hood.
What?
Take off your hood. Take off your hood.
Take off your do-rag, nigga.
Ugly ass man.
This nigga uglier than me. I look at Batman and I come tell me say me ugly. Hey boy, you idiot. Bomba, what going, girl? You know how long me at, yo, you know how long me I try to get one girl on the app here? You know how long? Yo, yo, at time now, man. At time now. Yeah. Me like your braces doing now.
Thank you.
Where you from? Your voice so sweet.
I'm from Cleveland.
You say Cleveland?
Where
Alright.
you from?
Alright, yo, well, I'm from Jamaica, but right now I live in New York, see?
Oh,
How life do you do?
okay. How life is for me?
Yeah.
It's going okay, I guess.
Quarantine got you hold up?
What about you?
Life for me doing good right now. No, what they bought? They gotta just get me. Alright. My next girl. Where gone?
Hi.
First of all, if I go company app, come show your face. Come now and put it. Yo, my girl, hard time. You know hear me say hard time? Hard time. You hear that? I wrong with them pitney, man. Yo, what go on, Chargy?
How are you?
Me good. How about you?
I'm good too.
What you talk so far? See, me not like the disrespect, you know. Cause when me a talk like this, them try to be funny and talk a certain way. Hey boy, me knocking on your face. Yo, what go on, me youth?
What I'm going?
What go on, Jenna? What go on? Everything good?
My thing good, everything good. Yeah, I smoke the high grade.
Yeah, man. What you mean, dude? Of course. Yeah. Yeah, if it's smooth, yeah, I agree, man. Hey boy. See the man, you know what I talk about, you know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey boy, white boy, go sit down. What you do? An idiot. I must say idiot. I must say real idiot. Yo, oh no, we can't get no girl on the app here, no. We can't get no girl dogs. I be a rotted woman pan. Yo, I be a man. Yo, bumbo. I'm not in the man thing in the dogs. Don't skip me, please. Don't skip me. Blood clot. Girl, them just have skip me. I stick up. Yo, see one more, yeah? Connect. What go on, baby?
What?
Sweet thing, show yourself, no man. Add some time, no?
Wait, did you just talk Spanish?
What? No. No, me not talk no Spanish. What you talk about? Add time, no man. Add time, no. Chabamba, yo. So where them? Why me can't see you? You probably look pretty, no.
No.
What you mean? You sound Spanish.
Huh?
You sound Spanish.
Spanish.
So hold on, you not understand what me I say?
What?
You not understand what me I say?
I'm stupid as hell.
So you can't understand what me I tell you right now.
So I heard. Can you understand me right now?
Yeah, that me I say. You can't understand what me I tell you?
Yeah.
Alright, so where you depend? Everything good?
Everything's good.
Alright, good. How's life?
It's boring.
Quarantine got you fucked up, don't?
Yep, I work, so I like your hair.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. My hair look crazy. She said she liked my hair. Well, all right. I guess it's from this view. I guess I don't know. This girl gonna say you speak Spanish. Spanish. Where you get Spanish from? Ooh, girl. Yo, where going, baby? Where going? Everything good? Hot time, man.
Everything good? Everything good?
My girl, don't ever disrespect. Yo, don't do that. No, y'all disrespect me. I know y'all try to disrespect me country. Don't ever. Yo, what wrong with the girl, man? Where going, my general?
What go on, brother?
Nothing. Everything good.
No, man. Shit.
Quarantine.
Yeah, man. Quarantine.
Alright. Still. Yo, I'm a United Kingdom people. I'm understand too, you know. What you mean? Yo, where going, my general?
Yo, what you jogging?
What you mean? Yo, Jamaica, me a jack. What you talk about?
Oh,
Alright, what? Hey boy, I'm get one machete and chop up your blood cleat in a boy. Hey boy, yo, me knock you down in a boy. Yo, get one machete and chop up your blood cleat. I'm gonna do something. Yo, the girl I better not skip. She skipped me to Ross. I better stop talking crazy on here for, monkey. Not monkey for YouTube, demonetize me or throw my video off YouTube or some shit. Yo, what going my people?
Hey, what's good with you, G?
Nothing, man. What going Snow Bunny?
First of all, bitch, I'm not waiting.
Hey, girl, I know some of you talk. Yo, don't talk to me so I'm knock you on your blood. Yo, you see the little girl and if I'm mad, yo, watch who you talk to, my girl. Watch who you talk to. Boy, you know white. Where you be then? Girl. Don't skip me, no. Oh, yeah. I'm tired of these little ass kids on this app, bro. Like, I'm tired of this shit, bro. Oh, come off! Bumbo clown, man. Ooh, what going, girl? You're pretty. Well, at time, Mike. You look nice, see? Where you cover up your mouth for? Your teeth mash up.
What?
Me ask you where you cover up your mouth for? Your teeth mash up.
Oh, I stand none of it.
You know, understand what I tell you? Me say you look nice.
Thank you.
You're sweet like honey. Yo, take off the lashes, man. You don't need that. You're already beautiful, see? Hair well nice and pressed down and everything. What she do? Me give her a compliment that she cut me off. She a idiot? Ooh, what going? Yo, girl, me can't tell. See, you look pretty, back up real quick. Yo, at time, man. At time.
Why?
At time, I want to talk to you. At time, now. Yo, you see them girls, them too rotted, selfish. And then they piss me off even more because I barely rotted girl on it. Yo. Every friggin' minute, me get one girl, they want to run off. Every friggin' minute, I be a man, me I get on them. Yo, what going on?
Yeah.
Everything good with
I
you?
know you.
You know me?
Hell, you ain't your YouTuber?
Me don't know what you talk about. At time.
I know you. I watch you too.
Oh, fuck me, buddy. Ooh, I feel famous. Nah, let me stop. That's the second time someone has ever noticed me. Yeah, literally. Like on like something like this. Yo, Wagwan, Jenna.
Wagwan, boss.
Everything good with you, youth?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Y'all smoke up some weed?
Yeah.
Alright, alright.
Big tune. Hard time, hard
I
time,
thought
man.
we blood clean. My sorry, dogs. I couldn't have time. No, no. Ooh. I'm gonna finish up with this last girl right here, man. I'm gonna finish it up with this last girl. Why go on charge it?
What?
I said, why go on charge it? Everything good?
Yes.
You not understand me, I say?
What?
You not understand me? Them a look like, yo, them a look like something, them clueless. Like, me not understand. Why go on? Alright, man. That's the end of the video, man. If y'all enjoyed, Moop says, show you some how my blood clot accent Zane. Born in Jamaica, you see me? St. Elizabeth, don't know. But anyways though, y'all, if y'all, like I said before, man, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like it up, man. If you're new to your channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on that post notification, hit the bell, bro. Like up that video, comment, do whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? For your boy Dingo. You know what I'm saying? Another day, another dollar. It's your boy Dingo. And I'm out.